Welcome to Harley-Davidson of Newport Richey. This just in, this beautiful 2019 Heritage Softail in Billiard Blue and Antique White. The wide white walls really make this bike to give it that old school look. The new Softails now have lockable hard bags, still have the detachable windshield, but it's a new engine, 114 cubic inch, dual counterbalanced, has a monoshock here under the seat, and the ride is incredible. I'm inviting you to come to 5817 State Road 54. Ask for Batman, and I'll personally take you on a test ride on any of these new 2019 models.